Hello guys and welcome to the channel. As you know, the Redmi Note 5 Pro has 18:9 ratio screen. Because of that, when you play the video, there is a white black bar on top and the bottom of the video. So if you want to view the video in the full screen, if you're using the default player, that is the mini video player, all you have to do is click on the video. See the video, there's a black bar on both the sides. Click on the setting button here. Just play a track to show you how to setting button here and full screen. We'll play the video default in the full screen. And if you're using the MX player, on the MX player, click on the video and click on the rightmost corner, and then on the display and aspect ratio. There is no 18:9 ratio, so we have to go to the custom, and here you have to write 18. I have already done, so because of that I will write it again. Horizontal 18, and in this vertical you have to 9. 18:9 and OK. Then click apply to all videos, and after that every video will play in the full screen, that is 18:9 ratio. And on YouTube, click on YouTube. On YouTube, you have to just swipe it with 2 fingers and it will go into full screen mode, that is 18:9, and then just pinch it like that with two fingers and it will come into original. Swipe it to full screen and unswipe it to original. So thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe.